Feathered sources confirm Vancouver has officially entered its share, if you care, era. I'm talking about a community fridge that's free, fabulous, and frankly, more organized than my last town hall tantrum. No forms, nor tape, just people helping people, which is weirdly effective for a species that can't zip a merge. These 8 fridges have more community spirit than a city council announcement during an election year. Goose approved, graffiti adjacent. In support, I will be releasing my new book, Meal Prep Seawall Style. Maybe.